Installing graphics cards is vital as pixel density of 4K resolution impedes performance of even best GPU-backed modern-day gaming machines. Seeking to supplement your gaming prowess in 2024 with the best graphics cards on the market? Gadinsider is pleased to help in this, always. After skimming through a myriad of compelling brands of graphics cards in the gaming sphere, we've compiled a list of best graphics card you can get your hands on in 2024. These graphics cards are best at ensuring 4,000 resolutions for heavy-duty games that necessitate the installation of the greatest GPUs that complement the games and stay smooth throughout longer sessions. Best graphics cards to buy in 2024. As soothing as it looks, the pixel density of 4K resolution could impede the performance of even the best GPU-backed modern-day gaming machines. But sidestep your worries, for the graphics cards we've listed down below cater not only to the avid gamers but also to a broad range of needs, bringing about the distantly resting prospect of achieving 4,000 resolution at hand. 1. XFX Speedster Quicksilver 309 AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT provides 16 GB memory, higher turbo clock than RX 7600, and its robust XFX thermal solution keeps card cool under stress. 2. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition, best for no compromise 4K gaming, which is powerful enough for a single GPU card, consumes less power for this level of raw GPU performance, exceptional Founders Edition build quality. 3. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, best graphics card for high-end gaming while being pocket-friendly with market-competent cooling system. 4. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super Founders Edition, best for ray-traced PC game performance, which is affordable, has exceptional ray tracing, better in general performance than original RTX 4080, and consumes less power. 5. Power Color Hellhound AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE delivers performance for the price with integrated Power Color thermal solution for cooling. 6. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super Founders Edition, best for high-end, mid-priced gaming. It offers performance boost over predecessor, impressive ray tracing, and excellent thermal performance. 7. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Founders Edition, best for 1080p PC gaming. It's reasonably priced and stays cool with high-efficiency operations. 8. Acer Predator Bifrost Intel Arca 770 OC, it ensures impressive ray tracing, beats GeForce RTX 4060 and Radeon RX 7600, backed by 16 GB GDDR6 and ample bandwidth.